and welcome guys. Today we'll be unboxing the Fossil's Generation 4 Explorist smartwatch. So this smartwatch from Fossil comes with a tons of features and is said to have a top-notch quality. As you all know that Fossils has been one of the most adorable and famous brand among the millennials. So we have got the Fossils smartwatch with the stainless steel bracelet version. So we'll be unboxing this box and we'll showing you how many kind of features and what are the other options that you get in this particular watch. So it's written, please open with care. Returns will be accepted only if this transit carton box is intact. So this is a simple opening. And yes, here you have it. So you just get this box with care. I'll just keep aside the box right now. And what else you get in the box? Yeah, there's some receipt and this is the warranty card. You get a 2 years warranty on this particular smartwatch. And I'm pretty impressed with the designs inside. Like you can see the overall, the padding that they have given. They have, they have sponges here to protect the watch. So it's quite cool. So I will keeping this box aside. Now get started with this particular box. So yes, as you can see that it's the Fossils watch with the stainless steel version. The color is smoke gray, and it works on the Wear OS by Google. Yes, it's very important that it's the watch that completely works on the Wear OS that has been made by the Google. And this is the back side. The watch comes with a price point of 21,995. You can see the price point written here. But as far as I'm making this video today, so it's priced around 13,000 on Amazon you can get. I'll put the link in the description below. So let's scratch it up. So let's get started what's inside this box. So yes, we get this watch. I'll just keep it aside. And as you can see, we get some user manuals. So it's always a good practice to just read on these manuals before you start with the watch. So I'll keep them aside for now. And here we have it. So we got some charger. It's a magnetic charger actually. You got some USB part here, so you can just put it into any USB charger you got for your smartphones. And here you got the magnetic charger that attaches to the bottom of your smartwatch. So I'll keep it aside. Here we have it. So we got some stickers here and some stickers at the bottom. There's a name tag, Fossil written here. So yes, the watch really looks amazing. The glass screen is quite amazing to look at. The feel of the watch, the materials, the build quality looks top notch. And yes, of course, it's a Fossil watch. So here's what we were expecting from this particular watch. Talking about its features and its things, like we have 3 buttons here and we got a microphone here. You can see this particular dot here, so it's a microphone. In this watch we get the Google Assistant and we get to call somebody from the watch itself. So this microphone will help you in that cases. And if you are able to see the behind of this particular watch, the back side, you can see that we have got some sensors here. So these are the sensors that actually help to track the heart rate of your body. So when you press this watch against your wrist, so these sensors can simply calculate the heart rate of your body. So we got the charger, so I'll just tell you how to charge this particular watch. So simply place it here, and this is the back side you got here. If you're able to see the rims of these back side, so it just attaches it with this. So see, it just clicks on. It's the front side. Yeah, it got clicked. Simple as that. And then you can simply use this charger to charge it. So we have charged the phone a bit, and now you can see that we do have an option like when you go on the screen you get to tap to begin. So I just tapped it, and you can see you have various kind of languages that you can select. So I'll be selecting the English, United Kingdom, and I agree to the terms. And now it's saying that on the phone you have to download an app called the Wear OS by the Google. So you can see that in this particular setup we do have to install this particular app. So I've already installed it. I'll just show you how to pair it up. So you can just start the setup, agree to the conditions, connect your watch. See, it loaded it, flipped it on. Now these watches and the smartphone are syncing up. By the time I can just tell you that the touch of this particular panel, the touch panel is quite smooth. Let's just pair and connect. Pair. Now we are done. So the watch has been connected, and all the rest of the setups will be continued on the phone itself. So guys, we'll be giving an update on the features in an abstract manner, because drilling down every details will take a long time. So here you have it. On the very home screen you get the time, you get your calendars where you can click on it to see what are the events, what are the reminders of yours. This is the home button. It also works as a home button, a back button. Here you can see you have the heart rate monitor. You can simply click on it and you can see that the heart rate sensors start. So it measures the heart rate sensors and give you the details. Now you can just swipe it down to see various kinds of setting features in a miniature versions has been given. Even the flight mode has been given in this. The battery you can see, the Wi-Fi's you can connect here. The smartwatch comes with an inbuilt GPS sensors also. Now if you swipe up, you can see the various kinds of notifications that you get. So I'll just clear this notification out. So it's saying that choose apps for your watch. So I'll just remove it up. And here you can see if you click on this particular button. So clicking on this particular button will take you to the Google Fit app. The Google Fit actually measures all your daily activities of your sport activities, the steps you count, the steps you take. It will count all the steps. It will also give you a heart point, so you can set up your goals, which heart point you want. If you just click on this workout icon, you can see various kind of features have been given, like walking, running, biking, strength trainings, etc. And coming to the home screen again, just click on this button once, and then you can see various kinds of apps here. Like you can see the flashlight given here, so it will just give a flashlight like this. You also got various watch faces with this watch. So if you press on it, you can change it to suppose maybe analog, and then you have it, the analog watch face. And here you have the battery lives. You can just click on it. You can see the battery lives here only. Talking about the battery life, this watch has around a day's battery life with a fast charge of around an hour. The new generation smartwatches with the Fossil, like the Gen 5, contains a better battery life, but for that you have to pay another 10,000 bucks more compared to what this watch stands for. So for the price point, this watch deserves to be one of the best in this segment itself. Not only because of its features, but also because of its looks and the build quality that we have in this Fossil watch. So guys, if you like the video, please do give it a thumbs up and please do subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you soon.